exposing the reason why Bobby Shmurda is arrested. Bobby Shmurda is a rapper who was jailed after a drug trafficking sting. Shmurda, 26, whose real name is Ackquille Jean Pollard, was booked by the New York Police Department in December 2014. In 2016, he got 7 years in prison, which was reduced to 5 years. But why was Bobby Shmurda arrested, and when is he set for release? Who is Bobby Shmurda? Florida-born Shmurda is a rapper and songwriter originally from Miami. His mom, Leslie Pollard, moved the family to East Flatbush in Brooklyn after his father was incarcerated. Shmurda's dad, Jervis Johnson, was convicted of attempted murder in 1995 and sentenced to life when his son was 2 months old. In December 2014, cops raided the Studio Quad recording in Manhattan, where Tupac Shakur was shot in 1994, and arrested Shmurda in a car outside. He was just 20 years old at the time. Shmurda has been held at Clinton Correctional Facility in upstate New York. Why did he get 7 years in jail? Cops said Shmurda was the ringleader of a criminal street gang called GS9. They said this group feuded with other gangs and was responsible for murders, shootings, and drug trafficking. Turf was. The Brooklyn Eagle reported that cops arrested Pollard on conspiracy, reckless endangerment and gun possession after he left the recording studio near Radio City Music Hall in December 2014. The investigation unearthed a whopping 21 guns, including a handgun allegedly concealed in a duffel bag on Shmurda's lap at the time of his arrest. Shmurda and others, including his brother Jay's, were charged in a 69-count indictment, including murder, attempted murder, dealing drugs, and weapons possession. In 2016, he pleaded guilty to 2 counts of conspiracy to possess weapons and possession of a weapon. He was sentenced to 7 years in prison, which was eventually reduced to 5 years. Shmurda tried to withdraw his plea, claiming his attorney forced him to take it.
Yeah.